Hello everyone, it's Amy with Crafting with Amy, and I have a little Dollar Tree haul. Went out of town yesterday and was able to pick up a few items that I haven't seen here. So I got these mini ornaments, 15 pieces. I thought that was a really red and silver. And then I got some in matte, gold, and white. I don't know if you can see those. They're 15 pieces also. And then I had never seen these. They still didn't have the burlap bags like that everybody's showing. I thought that was cute. There was only one of these, but there were several of the snowman and Santa. And these little gift boxes. Oh my goodness. They're adorable. They've got snowman, Jingle All the Way. That looks like some ornaments. And they're small gift boxes. Because I just wanted them for the purpose of crafts. But I thought this snowman was adorable. And it's a 3-piece. I guess the most exciting thing I found, because I've never been able to find it at any Dollar Tree, was super glue wood glue. Got more crates because they have changed these, some of them. And I realized that I have 3 that are like this, but they got some that have no end. This is filled in, and they're a different size. So I was going to make something, and then I'm like, wait. So I got 4, and I've got 2 of the others that are like this. But watch that, because they have changed them. And there's, oops, that one needs to be glued. They have what they have now. Some of them don't have an opening, but you know, that's not a big deal, but the size is different. So for what I needed 6. And these barns. Thought those were pretty. Those are pretty just like they are. And then mini ornaments. Those are larger. That's a 16-piece. And then I got some silver 16-piece. And I've never been able to find these. And they didn't have many. The little stickers. It's got stockings, candy canes, and mittens. And I wanted more of these, but they only had one. It has the snowflakes, Christmas trees, and the stars. I don't know if you can see that. And this. I thought this would be perfect because I'm still working on my cabin. A little snowman. The one, I had gotten one, but I think it's a little bit too big. And Santa, and then Santa's mail. See, ours doesn't have this cobblestone corners. They had a lot of these different, like, carolers and stuff like that. But I just wanted that. And then 3 pieces of the metal words, peace, joy, believe. Ours doesn't have that. Or if they do, I don't know it. And I had meant to get one of these, another one of these, because I wanted it like a dimensional. I had one, so I picked up another to be able to like thicken it with some foam board or cardboard or something to make it 3-dimensional. some glitter, which I hate, but I have a bunch of ornaments that I need a little bit of glitter for. And that snowman. His hat's a little flat. He must have got knocked on the head with the snowball, but I thought he was cute. Too big for my village, but... And then just some glitter base filler, silver and white. And super glue, wood glue. I've never, ever, ever been able to find this. They had two. I normally won't take if they only have two of something. But I'm like, look, I need that. Because so many use this. And I've never been able to find it, ever. And then some, this says it's 3D fabric paint. I'm hoping it will work. Well, I've got some white fabric paint, and that's black, I think. For some ornaments. And I'm hoping this is red. It looks red. Because ours doesn't have that either. And green. And I think that's it. Yep. So I'm going to get this uploaded. I'm still working on another video. As I mentioned, I'm having some trouble with my left hand, wrist, elbow. But I never thought crafting would affect it. Apparently it is, but I do have a doctor's appointment. Unfortunately, the surgeon that I went to for my right has retired. But it's still a good place, and I have an appointment set up for December. So I'm just kind of trying to not overdo it with it. Because it's, you know, when your whole arm goes numb and hand and wrist and it catches, it gets pretty bad. But I am working on a video, and I'm going to get this uploaded, and then my video will be up Wednesday. So you all have a good weekend. It snowed here. It snowed here yesterday. It had been like 80. And we're like, what? Yeah. And then it got cold as all get out, and it snowed yesterday. And we went over into Indiana, and we got more than them. So, anyway, it's still cold here. Don't know what is going on. We had a little bitty bit of fall for a minute, but we were in a drought, so all of our leaves were dead as they changed and just blew off. So now it looks like January here. But everybody, if anybody's in the path of that tropical storm, stay safe, and I will see you all Wednesday.